Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Times Health Plus. I am Apurva, your yoga instructor. I come here every day to teach you, to guide you and to practice with you all beautiful practitioners. To all the new joinees who are joining us for the first time, or if this is your first week with Times Health Plus, I hope this session, these sessions, this whole journey of you with Times Health Plus goes amazing from here and you're able to show up every day and you're able to stay consistent and you can always practice with a smile on your face. This is again your Utthita Hasta Padangushthasana variation, but this time it's with a twist, okay? So now you're twisting the spine. Again, watch me carefully. This time you will again pick up the right leg, but not using the right hand, you will use the opposite hand, okay? आप अपने राइट लेग को उठाएंगे, लेफ्ट हाथ का यूज़ करेंगे, आप अपने बिग टो को होल्ड करके you can stay here, 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 or if you can, you will fully extend and you will try twisting the spine. You will open the arm and you will look back. This is your Utthita Parivrita Padangushthasana. And you come back and you relax. Again, people with the band, आप band को foot पे wrap करके you can just hold and you can accordingly open. इसे भी हम 5-5 counts के लिए practice करेंगे. Let's do it together, everyone. Left leg down, pick up the right foot. You can wrap the band around, okay? You can hold the big toe or the band. You will straighten the leg. You will twist the spine, open the arm and you look back. Angushta Drishti, try looking at the thumb of the back hand. And very slowly, if you're done, you will rest, you will relax. Breathe. So it's the same posture. This time we're just adding one more challenge of twisting the spine. Okay, let's try it on the other side, everyone. Let's bring the left leg up. You hold the left leg with the right hand. You extend the leg. You open the arm and you try to look back. अगर पीछे देखना आपके लिए मुश्किल है, आप आगे भी देख सकते हैं. Or maybe you can look to the side also. Whatever suits you. Okay. Stay there. People using the band, keep holding on to the band. Absolutely works. And exhale, relax and rest. Breathe everyone, take a moment. These were our 4 postures that we learned. We are now ready to close the class, but before we do that, I just have a little challenge for you. Okay, now we'll just have fun. And then I will promise I'll give you your Shavasana, okay? The 4 postures that we did, if you remember, we did one to the front, then to the side, then to the back, and then again to the front. So we made a full circle, okay, with the leg. इस फ्लो को हम एक साथ करने की कोशिश करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑन द राइट साइड एंड देन ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड. एक बार मुझे ध्यान से एवरीवन देख लीजिए. मैं आपको ये बैंड के साथ दिखा रही हूँ, आप बिना बैंड के भी कर सकते हैं, व्हाटएवर सूट्स यू. ओके, आई विल रैप द बैंड अराउंड माई फुट लाइक दैट. नाउ रिविजन. ओके, द फर्स्ट posture, Utthita Hasta Padangushthasana, you will pick up and you will extend the leg. We'll hold this for 3 counts. Take the leg to the side straight away. You can shift your spot, 3 counts. Take the leg back everyone, okay? Natarajasana, remember? And you bring the leg up like that, 3 counts. And then finally, you take the leg again forward. You open, you hold it from the opposite hand. You open the arm and you look back, 3 counts. And back and relax. This becomes our flow. Is it challenging? Yes. Is it fun? Very. Okay. You will have a lot of fun doing this. हम हर posture को केवल 3 counts के लिए hold करेंगे, so it's not very hard. If at all you feel it's very hard, you keep a chair close to you, so you can hold on to the chair each time you feel disbalanced. Let's try it everyone. This is very, very fun. Okay. Let's start. Both legs together, smile on your face, core engaged. Let's pick up the right leg. Hold it from the big toe. You can use a band, absolutely. Extend the leg. Utthita Hasta Padangushthasana. A, stay for 3, 2, 1. Take the leg out to the side, everyone. You can change your spot. Stay for 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Continue taking the leg to the back, everyone. Nataraj Asana. Take the left arm in the front. Keep balancing. 3, 2, 1 and continue. Almost there. Take the leg in forward. Hold it from the opposite hand. Extend the leg. Open the arm. Look back. 3, 2, 1. Slowly exit. Relax. Beautiful. If you feel your calves are burning, great everyone. Okay, that's supposed to happen. It's a good thing. Let's do it on the other side and then we finish the class. Okay, एक आखिरी बार करते हैं with the same energy, with the same spirit. Everyone, right leg down. Let's pick up the left leg using the same hand. Utthita Hasta Padangushthasana. A, stay for 3, 2, 1. Extend the leg to the side. Look onto the other side. Hold, hold, hold. Take the leg back, everyone. Hold it. Bring the other arm in front. Nataraj Asana. 3, 2, 1 and finally you bring the leg forward. You hold it from the opposite hand. Extend. Open the arm. Stay for 3, 2, 1 and exit, exit, relax. One deep breath, amazing. Everyone, good job. Let's straight away enter our Shavasana. I know you were waiting for this. Let's comfortably lie down, legs open, arms open, your body relaxed, your legs relaxed. Your breath, your mind, your thoughts, just let everything come to a state of rest. Stay in the Shavasana for the next few breaths. शरीर को ढीला छोड़ने की कोशिश करें, especially your hips, especially your legs. Deep breaths in, as you stay in your Shavasana, everyone, practice deep belly breaths. Inhale, expand your stomach. Exhale, deflate your stomach. Inhale, expand. Exhale, deflate. Inhale, stomach को बाहर. Exhale, stomach inside. Inhale, expand. Exhale, deflate. One last time. Inhale, expand. Exhale, deflate. I will now sign off. I will see you in the next class. Till then, you know the drill. Keep your spine up, keep your posture erect, a big smile on your face, be kind, polite, generous to yourself and to everyone around you, and always stay grateful. Thank you so much everyone. Namaste.